In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can fix League of Legends stuck on tutorial patching screen. So when you're trying to play League of Legends for the first time and you came across this screen right here, which is the welcome to League, and we then have the grayed out patching screen. Now, when you encounter this problem, the easiest fix is to close the application completely. To do that, head over to your desktop or taskbar, right click on it and click on Task Manager. If you cannot head over to this page, you can simply press Ctrl Alt Delete on your keyboard and then click on Task Manager. Once again, Ctrl Alt Delete. From there, you then want to find League of Legends, right click on it and then click on End Task. This will completely exit out League of Legends, closing the application and getting rid of the bug. From there, you then want to simply head over to the launcher of League of Legends, click on the gear icon, which is going to be your account settings, and inside this page, click on settings once again, click on League of Legends and click on repair. This will get rid of some installed corrupted files within your system, and this will fix the problem. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.